Go.
So hey guys, we have a special guest. We have Shakin.
Yay!
That's what we have.
Right here we have a trolls.
Yeah, but
This one is a special edition troll.
But he has no head. See? Okay.
Show them the other one.
Ah. So let's start opening it. Let's open it. Let's open it.
We have two supplies. Open this one too.
And here's a flyer. Oh. Can you get that for me?
Sure, baby.
Thank you. Give me. And this is the book.
Gotta open this first. I'm gonna go get some scissors. Talk to them.
Hannah, Mama Frau. The Mama Frau.
Oh boy.
Hannah, I know how to cut it. Hannah, I'm promised not to cut myself.
Okay, be
Hannah.
careful.
Okay.
Good job.
Now,
Let's see what you got. Oh,
whoa!
you got the.
Ice cube. I'll put it here.
Oh, another one.
Oh.
No, Mom, it's supposed to be like that. The face is on the bottom. Be careful. Be careful. Other way, Morgan. This way.
Okay.
Cut it. Careful. You know you love me. Exhale, exhale. Let's show them. Let's see what you got.
Okay. Let's see.
What this one is that? You got bread.
Yeah. Good.
Show them your bread. They can't see the face, Morgan. Good job.
Veggie bread.
Oh, they can't see it over there. So put it right here.
Let's go to the next one.
Oh, you have to show them this thing.
And here's a book. You can all collect. See? Put it here. Now open the last one. I got it.
You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Hey! Oh, did you show them this?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, guys. Hey, guys, look this. There's all the Shopkins to collect. Morgan, she's starting to collect a lot of them, right, Morgan?
Yeah. Because you do it.
Some secret guest.
Yeah. It's a secret.
Yes.
Yeah. Wait a
Keep it right here.
Okay. I have no face. Here's the flag. Here's little flag bag. And don't forget flyer. Don't open this yet, okay?
Okay. Just tell me everything. Oh, here's the scissors. Remember to be careful.
Okay.
Here, cut right here. Right here. You want? Morgan is 3 years old.
Oh, it's already open.
Oh, it's already open?
Uh-huh. I got it. I see something.
You see something.
Mm-hmm.
Be careful. Let me help you. Can you help?
I got it.
Oh,
What's that?
which one is this?
I don't know.
Here, let's see. Oh, can you see? Show them. That's a juice.
Yeah, this is.
Oh, that's the Vicky Vanilla.
Yeah. Oh, it's the kitchen.
Tell them that's Vicky Vanilla.
This is Vicky Vanilla.
Vicky Vanilla. Let's move the trolls so they can see. And a scissor. Oh, one more to cut.
Oh, okay. Look at
See?
the scissors.
Hi, my name is Vicky Vanilla. So you got Vicky Vanilla. Which one did you just open? Vicky Vanilla. What else? What else? Let's see. Oh, Morgan, never mind. That's not bread. That's butter. That's Betsy butter. That's Betsy the butter. Oh, which one is that one?
I don't know.
Can I see? Oh, that's flour.
Oh.
Wait, is it?
This is flowers.
Oh, no, that's cane sugar. Cane sugar.
Oh, this is cane sugar.
Put it right here. Okay. You see, guys? Cane sugar. Oh my gosh. This is too salty. I need some sugar.
Okay, let's add the flour.